In a small village surrounded by green fields and mountains, there lived a mouse named Alvin. Alvin was known for his enormous appetite and above all for his weakness for cheese. But this little mouse, like many others, had one flaw: excessive ambition. One day, while exploring an abandoned warehouse, Alvin caught the most delicious scent he had ever smelled. Excitedly following the aroma, he found himself standing before the biggest piece of cheese he had ever seen. It was round, golden yellow, and its irresistible smell made Alvin's mouth water. "It's mine, all mine," Alvin thought excitedly. But of course there was one problem. The cheese was so enormous that it wouldn't fit through the entrance of the warehouse. Alvin spent hours trying to move the cheese. He pushed it, pulled it, bit into it, and even tried rolling it. But there was no way he could get it out by himself. Even so, he refused to ask for help. "If I call my friends," Alvin thought, "I'll have to share it. And I want this cheese all to myself." Hours passed, and Alvin kept trying without success. Exhausted, he eventually fell asleep beside the giant cheese. But what Alvin didn't know was that he wasn't alone in the warehouse. The smell of the cheese attracted other mice, who soon found their way inside. While Alvin slept, they began nibbling away at the cheese little by little. When Alvin finally woke up, he discovered that the giant cheese was no longer so giant. The other mice had eaten almost all of it. "If only I had asked for help and shared it from the beginning," Alvin thought sadly. "We all could have enjoyed it, and I would have had at least a big piece myself." And so, Alvin learned a valuable lesson. Greed and excessive ambition can leave you with nothing. Sometimes, sharing not only makes you happier, but it also makes things much easier. What about you? Would you share your cheese, or would you try to keep it all for yourself? Let us know your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this story and its message, please give it a like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. And if you know someone who could use this reminder today, share it with them. Until next time.